Dear students, we should understand error due to curvature and error due to refraction in telescope. Why this correction is required? First, we'll discuss on curvature error. The horizontal line of sight does not remain straight but is slightly bent towards having concavity towards the Earth's surface due to refraction. So for this corrections, we are using formula Cc is equal to d2 divided by 2r. R is the radius of the earth and d is the distance. And error due to refraction, a line of sight is curved downwards towards the surface, reading gets decreases to make the objects appear higher than the really rarely or this correction is applied to staff ratings. That is CR is equal to 0.01121 D2 where D is in kilometer. Session 2 will discuss on terms which are using leveling and types of leveling. Terms used in leveling are that is height of instrument, change point, benchmark, back sight, foresight, intermediate sight, etc. So we will discuss one by one. What do you mean by height of instrument? The elevation of the line of sight with respect to assumed datum is known as height of instrument, or we can say line of collimation. This is obtained by adding backside to RL of benchmark or change point, that is a known RL. What do you mean by change point? Change point on which both the foresight and backside are taken during the operation of leveling is called change point. What do you mean by benchmark? Benchmark is a fixed reference point of known elevation with reference to datum line. They serve as reference points for finding RL of new points or for conducting leveling operations in a project involving roads and railways. There are various different types of benchmark are there. Number one, GTS, Great Trigonometrical Survey benchmark. Number two, permanent benchmark. Number three, arbitrary benchmark. And number four, temporary benchmark. GTS benchmark are established by agency like Survey of India. They are established with highest precision at an interval of 100 km all over the country. Their position and elevation above the mean sea level is given a special catalog known as GTS maps. Next one is permanent benchmark. They are fixed points of reference established with reference to GTS benchmark by other government agencies like PWD, railway, irrigation, etc., and are kept on permanent points like culvert, kilometers, stones, railway platforms, pillars, etc. And the third one benchmark is arbitrary. These are reference points whose elevations are arbitrarily assumed. These are adapted for small work when only undulations of ground is important to be determined. And fourth one is a temporary benchmark. When the benchmark are established at the end of the day, they are said to be temporary benchmark. They are generally made on root of trees parapet wall nearby the culvert, or any permanent objects. What, what is station? Station is a point where the leveling staff is kept. What do you mean by backside? The first site taken on a leveling staff held at a point of known elevation is backside. Backside enables the surveyor to obtain the height of instrument or elevation of a site. And what do you mean by foresight? It is the last staff reading taken from a setting of the level. It is also termed as minus sight, or foresight is a sight taken on a leveling staff held at a point of unknown elevation to ascertain the amount by which the point is above or below the line of sight or height of instrument. This is also minus sight is as the foresight reading is always subtracted from height of instrument. The definition of intermediate sight is intermediate sight taken on a leveling staff held at a point between two turning points or taken points between backside and foresight to determine the elevation of the points is known as intermediate sight. What is reduced levels? Reduced level of a point is the level of point with respect to assumed datum. Once again, we'll study the definition of mean sea level. Is an average level of the surface of one or more earth bodies of water from which heights such as elevation may be measured. The term above sea level generally refers to above mean sea level. We can see the mean sea level in the figure, vertical datums. Like horizontal distance measurements, elevation solely has been when referred to some start point. the reduced levels or RLs can be extracted by using this format. This format includes serial number, station, distance or chainage, and fourth column is staff reading. In staff reading, once again, we are using backside, intermediate side, and foresight. Here, next column is collimation level or line of collimation. This column shows rise and fall method. It is a type of once again uh, calculation of RL. So, and next column is redo level and remarks. So we'll move on to different types of leveling. So number one, simple leveling. Second one is differential leveling, and third one is fly leveling, and fourth one is profile leveling, and fifth one is cross sectioning, and sixth one is reciprocal leveling.